I know. Fuck it.
Not expended all that energy.
It's alright. It's all good. Yeah, the experience is worth it, bud.
No, I know. I'm just old now, so. We're almost there. You guys are on camera, you know? Stop fucking up my episode. Thank you.
We're making it better.
I know.
By whispering, keeping secrets?
We're not whispering.
You're keeping secrets!
He kissed me.
That's even worse. Keep secrets.
White water rapid. We got some white water. Hotmail.com.
Speaking of Indian, Steve.
Oh, he's got the drone out?
It's a big boy ant. Don't walk though. Alright, look cool. Don't fuck this up. This is your big shot. Yeah, that looks cool. Walk that way. Now.
Stop.
Uh-oh. I hear.
Wait, hold on.
Where is she? Oh, there it is.
Hold on, dude. I ain't playing no more games.
Wait, go up this way. There's snow right up there. We can go right here.
Right.
Someone must have expired over there. Right?
Without a doubt. Brody would be having a hoot. Yo, I'm about to black out.
Yeah. Go ahead and take a breather. Over here. We're right up here. I'm going down. I'm heading all the way down. Oh, it's gorgeous though, huh? Oh,
This snow's not too bad either. Real natural. Dude, it's up. Pretty good.
I'm hot, dude.
Pretty good.
Whew. Hey, Steve! We see ya. Hey, Steve!
I still hear my echo. I'm about to wet.
The view, though. The view, kids. Take a look at this. Here, no, I'll get it.
Oh, shit! Oh, stop! Oh!
Did you film that? No?
No!
Steve-O's drone.
The drone, it's gone!
What's up?
Here, hold this real quick.
And now I'm gonna film these idiots trying to get the drone out.
Keep it filming.
Yeah, don't give it no more gas. I like my fingers.
Can he hear you through?
Probably not.
Think-
Oh, the fucking blade's broken, dude.
Hey!
Turn it off. It's kind of funny, dude.
Well, our cousin lost his drone.
Ow!
Cole lost his footing. Here. Cole.
Look at that, just sliding down like a sled.
All right. Are we rocking or are we rocking? All right, let's pack this up.
Let's wait for him.
Someone take this.
I'm gonna say my goodbyes and then toss her off the cliff. Give her a proper Donner Pass burial. All right. Sorry we couldn't save her, Steven. Oh man, look. Lost one of the propellers. Dunzo. That's what you call finito. Oh man. At least it was right there so we could easily get it, you know?
Wait, where'd that just come from? Dude, where the hell did that come from? Can't really see it.
Dude,
What the fuck was that about?
chopper out of nowhere. For Pete's sake, we're trying to film an episode here.
What was that, dude? Are we not allowed up here or something?
I don't know. I mean, it didn't point at us.
Ice. Tahoe ice. Dude, rub
Dude,
it in,
it's
rub
Tahoe.
it in. Yeah, love it. Cherish
off
it.
my beard. Dude, it's Donner Pass. Stop saying Tahoe. You ruined the whole episode. Oh, God.
And now,
Dude, I pissed
fresh.
all over that,
It's
dude.
fresh up here at Donner Pass. It's fresh. Up here at Donner
Dude,
Pass.
look at these fellas about to die.
Oh my God.
These fellas are about to kick the bucket.
Oh my God.
They walked up right over where they are now.
Oh, yeah, there's a guy climbing up there.
But next to the guy in front
Is
of
that not good shit? Right?
Alright.
Okay, that ice, bad decision. Throwing that down my shirt. Oh, ooh, real nippy.
That's ice cold.
Ice cold, baby.
Let's get to these Chinese tunnels.
He's flying it again. He had new propellers.
he's gonna try to put it through the tunnel now. Some people never learn.
You know?
Wait, what are we doing? I'm confused.
It's a, you know, this is a GoPro.
Oh, that's what it is.
You film things with it.
Oh.
You do, you know, it just looks crazy with this huge tunnel. All right, everyone quiet. Ah, Christ! What other catchphrases do we have? You shitting me? Are you shitting me?
This tunnel is screaming. This thing is bitching.
Uh-oh, there's a crack over there. Maybe we shouldn't.
Oh, we should get out of here.
No. All right, can we get oh man, I'm standing in the river for crying out loud. Full-blown underground river here. Yeah, can we get some flickeroonies?
Sure.
For me and Cole need some Somethin Or Other Tour flex.
You are getting balls. Getting squirrely. Is it coming right ahead? It is. I hear nothing but horsepower. Took a train. Oh shit, it just... Whoa! Oh, watch out, watch out! It did the, Sport mode?
I didn't tap. Try that again. Getting old. This guy was just stuck on a rock. Did Imagineers design this place or what? Dude, look at God shining down on that hill over there. Dude, cool. That might rust out and just fucking fall out.
Oh, can you come back? I'm gonna kill you. Myself. Ready? Go back.
Dude, we saw the honest to goodness Wild West in Fartworth, and that was like the southern deserty version, and this is the up north, you know, snowy version. You know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely.
We're seeing every kind of Wild West you can find. Every Wild West you can muster up, we find it. Dude, this thing stretches, dude.
It's getting colder and colder as we go deeper.
It's getting cold.
Dude, this is high.
Were you hanging out with the chipmunks? Outro right here?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh.
Dude.
That rock moved, ladies and gentlemen. Dude. Holy shit.
Here, dude.
Alright.
I'm still recording in case you die, but here.
I'm good.
You should.
Sorry, it's good.
Is that not tall trees up there? From Red Dead Redemption?
Rockstar North. Like right up in the middle.
We're up in Donner Pass, you know, but look at this, isn't that cool? Look at that, all the way down there. I don't know why I like stuff like that, but I do.
I'm the same way.
Where's your free decal, dude? Totally free complimentary decal.
No, dude, yesterday
Store owner was kind enough to give him that for free.
we were driving through Westwood. We came across this bridge. I saw this river. I was like, oh shit! Pulled over immediately. Stopped, took some flicks.
I don't think that means fuck Donald Trump, but I'm gonna pretend it does. Folks are eating each other in this pass here.